Welcome to English Driving School, your gateway to safe and skilled driving. Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey towards becoming a confident and responsible driver? In this video we are going to talk about frequently asked questions for driving test. What happens if unforeseen events, like roadworks, occur during my driving test? If unforeseen events such as roadworks occur during your driving test, it doesn't automatically invalidate the test. The test can still be valid if specific minimum assessment requirements are met. What are the minimum requirements for Stage 1 of the driving test? In Stage 1 of the driving test, you must complete at least 5 of the 7 tasks. This must include either the reverse parallel park or the 3-point turn before you can proceed to Stage 2. What constitutes a complete driving test? A driving test is considered complete if you undertake at least 17 tasks across both Stage 1 and Stage 2. This must include the reverse park or 3-point turn, at least 2 lane changes, and at least 1 straight drive. What happens if I need to meet the minimum assessment requirements? The assessment will be considered complete if you meet the minimum assessment requirements during your driving test. In such a case, a retest will be required. Are lane changes mandatory during the driving test? Performing at least 2 lane changes is mandatory during the driving test. This is part of the minimum requirement to consider the test complete. Can I still pass if I don't complete all tasks due to unforeseen circumstances? Yes, you can still pass the driving test even if not all tasks are completed, as long as you meet the minimum required tasks. These include at least 17 tasks across both stages, with specific functions like the reverse park or 3-point turn, 2 lane changes, and a straight drive. Is it necessary to perform a straight drive during the test? Performing at least 1 straight drive is a necessary part of the driving test and is included in the minimum assessment requirements. How many tasks are there in total across both stages of the driving test? The exact number of tasks across both stages of the driving test may vary depending on the specific test protocol, but you must complete at least 17 of these tasks for the test to be considered valid. Thank you for joining us at English Driving School name. We believe that safe driving is not just a skill but a lifelong asset. If you're ready to take the wheel and explore the open road with skill and confidence, don't hesitate, enroll with English Driving School today. Contact us now at +61 403 206 157 or visit our website www.englishdrivingschool.com.au to schedule your first lesson. If you found this video helpful and informative, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting updates, driving tips, and exclusive content. Thank you for being a part of the English Driving School community. Safe driving, and we'll see you in the next video.